Okay, so to do our calibration, this is where I added these extra modes, the open loop return and the open loop extend. All I'm doing is I'm on our return, I'm saying give output negative 0.5 volts, so it'll come all the way to 0. So we hit the open loop return. It's going to be, so our target is whatever the feedback is. Our feedback is 0.011, speed 0. So it's now all the way back. So I'm going to launch this position scale offset wizard. Our major position, this is always going to be 0, so you don't need to put anything in your major position for this one. And then we're going to use our current value. This is the voltage feedback. So we use our current value, it automatically puts that in there. Now I'm going to take a measurement here. So I'm just going to measure the current position that it's at. And I just use this here. So I measure from here to here. So it's about 7 and 10/16, so 5/8. Got to do that math. So 7 and 5/8. So we should get 31 and 5/8 when it goes to full. So now, we've got that done. Now we press the open loop extend. I'm going to use fully extended first because it goes faster. The open loop goes really slow. Once it gets to the end, then we'll do that open loop extend.
Somebody's all messing up.
Cutting the bar.
Alright, so we're open loop extend, yes. So now it's showing just about 24. We'll take our measurement. Okay, so 31 and 5/8. That needs the 24, so we can just leave 24 here. If that was different, then we would want to adjust what this is here. So just whatever the difference between our home position and that one, you just subtract and enter that in here. So now we're going to use the current value again. Click on use current value, and so now it has all the information it needs. We hit next until we get to finish, and then click finish. So now we have a different value in here. It's not dramatically different, but it's just a little bit different. So now these are yellow, saying we're different between our controller and our computer. So now we're going to download this time. So I click on download the controller, and now they're the same. So, and now very important on these motion controllers, different than PLCs, is after you make a change, you have to go into our controller and update flash. So anytime I make a change, I do that just out of habit. You can go through, make a bunch of changes, and then update the flash, but since I'm not used to doing that, I just, every time I make a change, update flash. Because what'll happen is that if you were to make the changes, everything would be working fine until you power it down, and then you power it back up, and it's going to have the old program out of the flash memory, and then it's going to start screwing up again. So always make sure that you do the update flash on that.
Are they going to have a flash for each line? Since you said they're different?
Yeah. Yep, you got it. So it's just non-volatile memory. It's, you know, it's not battery backed up. It's just read-only memory. So
if we change, say we change out anything, we have a little thumb drive. There's line 3. Be able to download everything from that thumb drive.
it's good. Well, it'll be on your laptop.
Oh, okay.
So I'll have the program. So yeah, you'll have line 3 program. You can take that, download it, and then you should be good to go. If you change out, you know, if you change out a linear transducer, then you have to run through that calibration again. So, but yeah, everything should be the same. If you change out that controller, all you got to do is download to it. It's going to come up and say, hey, I have a different, the processor is different, but you just download to it anyway, and then save again with today's date, and then you have what you need on there. So, yeah, the format I have for naming is, so RMC Milgard pultrusion line 1 or 2 or 3, and then the year, first, month, and then date. Anytime I make a change and save it, I just save it with the new date. So that way you have your old revisions. You can start deleting those if you start getting a bunch of them, delete the old ones. So, but I always just go to date modified, and, pull up the latest date, and then use those from there. So, do you have any questions about the RMC program?
Not right now.